Search continues to find dozens of high-powered weapons stolen from a gun store in suburban West Palm Beach. The firearms were taken from First Choice Gun and Ammo on Belvedere Road. News Channel 5's Liz Nunez spoke to the shop's owner, who fears they may end up in the wrong hands.
David Milstad's dream came true a little over a year ago after saving every penny he had to open up a gun shop.
It was my whole life savings sitting inside that building right there. I just put into it.
But that dream was short-lived.
You can't insure that kind of stuff, and I'm completely broke. They got every gun that I own.
An employee arriving for work discovered the missing firearms.
When he opened the door, that the whole shop is destroyed and ammunition is scattered everywhere, and I got $10,000 worth of ammo. I don't know how much of it they took.
Detectives say the thieves knew exactly what they were doing. Instead of bothering with the steel gate, they broke into a nearby business and tore a hole through the wall.
The bay that they broke into and cut through, we were supposed to occupy that starting Monday morning. They beat us to the punch. They got in there and robbed us before we could get in there and get set up.
Investigators say the thieves went straight for a place Milstad never thought they'd get into.
My safe was full of handguns, boxes of handguns I remove out of the shelves every night, and they got every one of them. There's 100 handguns.
In addition to handguns, Milstad says the burglars made off with automatic rifles from AK-47s to AR-15s.
It's a shame because just more crime going to be done with them.
Liz Nunez, WPTV News Channel 5.